So, on January 20th, 2019, the search term Fyre Festival hit its peak in Google search results. And not soon after, the documentary highlighting the scandalous event was released. This film overall went over the failed event in all aspects, ranging from its spread in music festival circles for weeks, the celebrity rage over the event, a life overview of the event organizer Billy McFarland, and ultimately this film just goes over how the whole event came to be and how it went from a great idea to catastrophe, with the festival organizers even being sent to prison. Hey everyone, my name is Stanley Chen, and this is my film review about the Netflix documentary Fyre, the greatest party that never happened. This Netflix documentary was written, directed, and produced by Chris Smith and Andy King. This film sought to document the criminal and poor decisions made by the festival organizers, which ended up getting thousands stranded on a remote island without a supply of food, water, or electricity. The documentary goes through the harsh conditions that vacationers or festival attendees had to suffer through because of those decisions. Fyre, the greatest party that never happened, is an expository, investigative documentary. The film did not follow a linear timeline, but rather went through multiple interviews, different scenarios, and different aspects of the festival in order to generate a viewpoint. The film seeks to inform viewers with events, overviews, and interviews in order to pursue the truth in the film. This ranges from talking about going through the life of the subjects, to investigating the personal life of Billy McFarland before Fyre, from his entrepreneurial background to his previous company Magnesis. Again, the documentary is not a chronological film, but a quick run-through includes interviewing individuals who work closely with Billy to provide background on the person at hand, to going through the chaos that ensued from the thousands of people that were locked in airports by local authorities, and people realizing the festival was a sham. This documentary documented a lot of the social media and news backlash and accurately captured the tense and unrelenting attacks against the organizers when things started to go bad. This included the official letters from the government telling to shut it down, to the embassy response, and overall the chaos that ensued from governmental authorities and the people who decided to buy the tickets to Fyre Festival. Fyre Festival was overall a documentary not just on the events of the failed music festival, but an investigation into the psychology, failure, and poor decisions made by the one individual behind it all, Billy McFarland. The documentary went very in-depth on the whole situation to give the viewers a big picture view of what happened and statistics to go along with it. They talked about the inner workings of the festival, provided plenty of map detail, and they interviewed the people that were working at the time. This even included people canceling acts without Billy McFarland's authority because the situation got so bad. Overall, I would review this documentary as a 4 out of 5 because it stays subjective and allows the audience to generate their own opinions on the topic. Overall, I really liked the documentary. It was very in-depth and very well done.